Good morning, students. Welcome back to our science class on the chapter motion. In the previous class, we had studied in the derivation for equations of motion. So now, just I will recall. Okay. See, first we have used velocity time graph. So and here we have considered an object is moving, and that object changes its velocity from u to v. Okay. So here u means initial velocity and v means final velocity. O, A, B, C, D. Okay. So now that object changes its velocity from u to v in a given time t. Okay. So now this OD is equal to t and AC is also t. Then OA equal to u. Then DC is also equal to u. Then this is BC is equal to v minus u. Okay, so first one we have proved in first equation of motion, that is v equal to u plus at. Okay, so here we have considered the definition of acceleration, because here that object changed its velocity from u to v. So here velocity changed in a given time t. So that's why acceleration a is equals to v minus u. Sorry, acceleration equal to change in velocity, change in velocity divided by time taken. Okay, so we can write that change in velocity equal to v minus u divided by time taken. V minus u divided by time taken. Then bring this up, that is at is equals to v minus u. Okay, then see, we brought now minus with this side, right? That is at plus u is equals to v, or we can write this as v is equals to u plus at. Okay, so first equation is proved. Then second one, second equation of motion, that is s equal to ut plus half at square. Okay, so here we have used, because in the previous line graphs we have studied, right? What below this line, area of this shape is equal to distance or displacement. So here distance or displacement is, it is equal to area of OABCD. Okay, so area of OA BCD is equal to distance of displacement. And see here, this area of OABCD equal to what? Area of triangle plus area of rectangle. Okay, so area of OABCD equal to area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC plus area of rectangle OACD. Okay, then this area of OACD equal to S, right? So S equal to area of triangle, that is half into base into height plus length into breadth. Okay, then S is equals to half into, here base means that is AC, and here height means that is BC plus length is OD and breadth is OE. Okay, so S is equals to half into, so AC equal to what? AC equal to time taken, that is T, and BC is V minus U, plus OD is T and OA is U. Okay, next using first equation of motion, so we got this expression, right? We got this equation at equal to V minus U. Okay, so now we can substitute this at here, that is S equal to half into T into at, and we can write this T t into u as ut. Okay, so then multiply t and at. So we will half t into at, we will get half at square. So s equal to half at square plus ut. So we can finally write this expression as s equal to ut plus half at square. Then we studied third equation of motion, that is v square equal to u square plus 2as. So third one, v square equal to u square plus 2as. So here also to this third equation of motion, so we have considered that concept. Okay, so below this line, our distance is, our displacement is equal to area of OA BCD. Okay, so area OA BCD equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of rectangle OACD. Okay. Yes, you know, right? This area OABCD equal to what? Distance or displacement. Distance or displacement, that is yes, is equals to half into base into height plus length into breadth. You know, right? What is base? Base is AC and height is BC plus length is OD into OA. So then half into AC is D, then BC is V minus U, then this is, we can write OD is D into U. Okay, so this is yes. So yes equal to, we can write half into T into V minus U is equals to, sorry, plus UT. Okay, so now here we should multiply 2 on both sides, left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side and right hand side. Okay, that is 2s equal to half into half into t into v minus u plus ut. Okay, so this is 2s equal to multiplier 2 by 2 into t into v minus u plus ut, sorry, plus 2ut, because we have to multiply here and here. Okay, then 2 get cancelled, right? So this is, we can write this 2s equal to t into v minus u plus 2ut. So now multiply this. So 2s equal to vt minus ut plus 2ut. So here one ut cancelled, right? 2s equal to vt plus ut. So now take the outside. So we can write this as 2s equal to t into v plus u. We can write like this. Okay, so what is the next step? Already you know, right? So now bring t this side, so we can write this as 2s divided by t is equal to v plus u. So we called this equation as 3, and the previous class we called this equation as 1. So multiplying 1 and 3, multiplying equation 3 and 1. So that is right hand side right hand, left hand side to left hand side. Okay, so 2s divided by t into at is equals to v plus u into v minus u. V plus u into v minus u. So now here it get cancelled, right? So finally we got 2sa equal to v plus u into v minus u. Okay. So now write mathematical and according to this one, a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So now we can write this v plus u into v minus u as v square minus u square. Okay. 2as equal to v square minus u square. So now bring u square this side. So then 2as plus u square equal to v square. So finally we can write this expression as that is v square equal to u square plus 2as. Okay. So this is the proof of three equations of motion. This is of these three equations. First I will write a question. Okay. Before discussing problems, first I will give the notes of these three equations of motion. Okay. First I will give the notes. Later we will discuss problems. First, first draw this graph. So we are proving equations of motion using velocity time graph. Clear? Okay. First I will write here. Consider a body. Consider a body. Consider a body. Okay. Starting with initial velocity. Starting with initial velocity. Starting with initial velocity u. Starting with initial velocity u and moving with the uniform and moving with the uniform acceleration. Moving with the uniform acceleration. Moving with uniform acceleration a. Moving with the uniform acceleration a for time interval t. for time interval t. Okay, along a straight line for time interval t along a straight line. Along a straight line. Next, the final velocity the final velocity of the body be v. The final velocity of the body be v. Okay, the final velocity of the body be v, and displacement of the body and the displacement and the displacement of the body, the displacement of the body during this time interval during this time interval. Yes. Okay. Yes. Next, so here this is the explanation of that graph. Here no need to write this one. You can explain that graph in your own words. Okay, but we have what is u, what is v, and what is v, and what is a, and what is yes. You can explain that graph in your own words. No need to write this one. Okay. So now in the figure, you can add one sentence. The velocity time graph as shown in the figure. Okay. Next, in the figure, OA equal to U, and OA equal to DC equal to U. Okay. Then OD equal to T, then so which is equal to AC. Okay. Then BD equal to V, then BC equal to BD minus DC, that is V minus U. Okay. So next, so first we have to prove the equation of motion, right? That is V equal to U plus AT. So V is equals to U plus AT. V is equals to U plus AT. Okay. Then we know, right? From the graph, so acceleration is equal to change in velocity divided by time taken. Change in velocity divided by time taken. Okay. So now what is the change in velocity here? acceleration is a, and change in velocity is v minus u, and divided by time taken is t. Now bring t this side. That is at is equals to v minus u. Okay. So now call this equation as 1. So next bring u this side. That is at plus u is equals to v. So finally we can write v is equals to u plus at. V is equals to u plus at. Hence proved first equation of motion. Okay. So next go to second one. That is s is equals to ut plus half at square. S is equals to ut plus half at square. Yes. So how to start? Already know, right? So here you have to write the displacement s of the body, the displacement s of the body, the displacement s of the body, the displacement s of the body at time t, in a time t, in a time t is equal to the what? Is equal to the area OABD. Area OABCD under the line AB. Under the line AB. Okay. So then from the figure, you can write area OABCD equal to area of triangle plus area of rectangle. Okay. So area of rectangle, or area of rectangle or area of triangle. Okay. So first I will write area of rectangle plus rectangle OACD plus area of triangle ABC. Okay. Say first we can write area of triangle plus area of rectangle. Okay, it's your wish. Now this area of OABC is equal to what? Distance or displacement? Yes, right? Then yes is equals to area of rectangle. That is area of rectangle is length into breadth plus area of triangle is half into base into height. Okay, half into base into height. Right. Next, yes is equals to, what is the length here? Length is OD. That is OD into breadth is OA plus half into what is breadth here? So what is the base here? That is AC into what is the height? It is BC. BC. Then S equal to OD means T and OA is U plus half into AC is T, then BC is V minus U. So we can write this step as UT plus half into T into V minus U. Okay. So now call this equation as 2. Yes, so now substitute equation 1 in equation 2. Substitute equation 1 in equation 2. That is AT equal to V minus U, right? Okay. Here, right? S is equals to UT plus half T into AT. Okay, so in bracket right here, AT equal to V minus U. So finally, we can write this step as S is equals to UT plus half AT square. Good. Okay. Yes. So next move to third one. V square equal to Q square plus 2AS. Okay. Once again same. So below that line area of OABCD equal to distance or displacement, right? Yes. So once again same students. The displacement, yes. The displacement, yes. Of the body, the displacement, yes. Of the body, in a time t, in a time t is equal to the area OA BCD under the line AB. Under the line AB. Under the line AB. Figure from the figure. Area OA BCD equal to area of rectangle OACD plus area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC. Now this area of ABC is equal to what? Distance of displacement, that is S is equals to area of triangle means length into breadth plus area of triangle, that is half into base into height. Okay, then S equal to what is the length? Length is OD into OA plus half into base is AC into height is DC. Okay, S equal to OD into U plus half into AC is T and BC is T minus U. Okay, so then we can write S equal to UT plus half into T into V minus U. Okay, so now what's the next step? So multiplying by 2. Next step is multiplying by 2. Multiplying by 2. Multiplying by 2. Okay, both sides, left hand side and right hand side. So then we will get that is 2s is equals to 2 into ut plus half into t into v minus u. Okay, so this is equals to 2 into ut plus 2 by 2 into t into v minus u. Okay, then here we will cancel, right? We can write this as 2s equal to 2 ut plus t into v minus u. So now multiply t. 2s equal to 2 into ut plus tv minus ut. Okay, see, you can skip this step. After this one you can write directly this one, no need to write this step. Okay, tv. Next, see, 2 ut might cancel, right? 2s is equals to tv plus, sorry, here ut plus tv. Okay, next, take the outside. 2 is equal to t into u plus v. So now bring t this side, that is 2s divided by t equal to u plus v. So call this equation as 3. This equation as 3. Okay. So now this is equation 1, right? At equal to b minus u. Okay. So now multiply equation 1 and 3. Multiply equation 1 and 3. Multiply equation 1 and 3. Multiply equation 1 and equation 3. Multiply equation 1 and equation 3. So means right hand side to right side, left hand side to left side. Left hand side, that is 2s divided by t into at is equals to see, we can write this as u plus v. We can write it as v plus u, right? Or we can write u plus v also. Okay, into v minus u. Okay, so better we can write v plus u. You know, right? See, x plus y. We can write this x plus y as y plus x. Both are same. Here I have written u plus v, but here I have written what? V plus u. Okay. So now see here, et get cancelled, right? So 2 SA, and just observe here v plus u into v minus u. Okay, you know, right? Mathematical identity that is a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so now we can write this as v square minus u square. Okay, so bracket, right, using this identity, that is a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus. Okay, yes. So now before this side, so we can write this 2s here, and plus u square is equals to v square. Okay, so finally we can write this expression as v square is equals to u square plus 2as. Okay. So this is the note for 3 questions of motion. So I will stop here. So tomorrow I will discuss problems, and tomorrow I will allow live chat. First I will write the question on the, then you have to write answer. Okay, you have to put your answer in your comment box. Thank you.